99% of Python learners get this wrong. Eyes. Name equals, not admin. If not name or Ahmed or under the code. Print, access granted. Else, print, access denied. What do you think this prints? A, access granted. B, access denied. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds. The answer is access granted. Face screaming in fear. Why? Because in Python, non-empty strings like Ahmed are always true. So Python reads like this: false or true, which means the whole condition is always true. Now, directed challenge name equals Ahmed. If print, access granted. Else, print, access denied. Can you replace question marks? So only Ahmed, Ali, and under the code are allowed? Write your answer in the comments. Red heart follow for more Python tricks.